Imagine cruising through scenic routes, with the open road stretching endlessly ahead. As you glide along, you are not just in any vehicle. You're experiencing the futuristic motorhome, a true masterpiece of modern design, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. This motorhome, crafted with precision, promises the ultimate in comfort and style, designed specifically for those who want to travel in both elegance and functionality. The exterior of the futuristic motorhome features a bold combination of beige and black accents, creating a striking contrast that exudes sophistication and modernity. The gold accents along the body give it a high-tech, refined appearance, while the sleek, aerodynamic lines ensure that the motorhome isn't just visually stunning, but also designed for optimal performance. Beneath the motorhome's stylish exterior lies an advanced suspension system, engineered to ensure a smooth and stable ride. Whether navigating winding mountain roads or cruising along highways, the motorhome's suspension system absorbs every bump in the road, allowing you to experience comfort and control in any terrain that as you step inside. You're immediately welcomed by an open and expansive interior. Every inch of this motorhome is designed with purpose, combining sleek aesthetics with luxurious materials. The main lounge area is where the journey begins. The L-shaped beige velvet sofa, adorned with black and gold accent cushions, offers the perfect space for relaxation. Whether you're unwinding after a long day of travel or entertaining guests, this lounge area is both cozy and elegant. The slim floating table placed in front of the sofa is minimalist yet functional, holding a lily flower vase that adds a touch of freshness and sophistication to the space. The walls are dressed in a combination of beige velvet, creating a calm and neutral atmosphere, while golden light strips integrated into the seams add a warm and inviting glow to the room. The black-tinted panoramic windows allow you to enjoy breathtaking views, while the flush integrated blinds ensure privacy when desired. The sleek design of the lounge is complemented by gold accents that are used sparingly but with precision, which enhances the calming ambience and ties the space together seamlessly. Moving toward the bedroom, the interior continues to impress with its combination of luxury and comfort. The low-profile oval-shaped double bed with beige upholstery offers a peaceful retreat, with a design that allows ample walking space around it, making the room feel open and uncluttered. The black accents and golden details are carried over, enhancing the modern, futuristic look of the motorhome. The champagne beige bedding perfectly complements the rest of the room's design, adding a warm, inviting atmosphere. Soft golden lighting from the ceiling creates an intimate, cozy ambience, ideal for winding down after a day of adventure. That on each side of the bed, you'll find small side tables, one holding a lamp, while the other displays a simple flower vase. These decorative elements further elevate the luxurious yet functional design of the bedroom. The black-tinted windows, complete with flush integrated blinds, ensure that you have complete control over the amount of natural light entering the room while maintaining your privacy. This compact yet spacious design ensures that your sleep space feels like a true sanctuary. Next, you move to the dressing area, where organization and style meet in perfect harmony. The walk-through wardrobe features full-height cupboards on both sides, with half-open mirrored doors showcasing neatly hung clothes. Warm LED lighting inside the wardrobes makes it easy to see everything you need, while the slim vanity shelf with a backlit mirror provides an elegant space for personal care. The soft lighting adds a touch of luxury, creating a perfect space to get ready for the day ahead. The combination of champagne beige cabinetry, black accents, and gold handles maintains the luxurious yet functional vibe seen throughout the motorhome. The kitchen is designed for the modern traveler who demands both efficiency and luxury. The straight-wall integrated galley features matte black cabinetry and a champagne beige countertop, creating a sleek and functional cooking space. The golden accents on the cabinetry bring a touch of sophistication, while the black induction cooktop and integrated sink provide everything you need for preparing meals. The kitchen is compact but well-appointed, with a small fold-down dining shelf and two compact stools that allow for casual dining. The soft golden under-cabinet lighting not only adds a warm glow to the kitchen but also highlights the beautiful finishes, while the black-tinted window with flush integrated blinds ensures privacy. The private office cabin is the ideal place to get work done or simply relax in a quiet space. The wall-integrated desk with its sleek green surface provides an elegant, functional workspace, while the ergonomic office chair ensures maximum comfort. Slim black shelves and drawers offer ample storage space, keeping everything organized and within reach. Soft golden lighting enhances the luxurious atmosphere, while the black-tinted window with flush integrated blinds lets you control the amount of light entering the office, ensuring a bright and comfortable environment. Moving toward the bathroom, the motorhome doesn't compromise on style or comfort. The glass-enclosed shower with golden fixtures creates a spa-like experience, and the floating vanity with an integrated sink offers both functionality and elegance. The lightstone surfaces create a clean, modern look, while the gold fixtures and black accents maintain the luxurious theme. Warm golden lighting enhances the serene atmosphere, and the soft backlit mirror ensures that you're always ready for the day. The black-tinted windows and flush integrated blinds maintain your privacy and allow you to adjust the light to your liking. Finally, the cockpit of this motorhome is where it all comes together. The two ergonomic captain seats, upholstered in black leather with gold accents, offer a comfortable and stylish driving experience. The sleek black digital dashboard features integrated navigation and touch controls, while the premium steering wheel with gold detailing adds to the sophisticated design. The black-tinted panoramic windshield provides a clear view of the road, and the flush integrated blinds allow for privacy when needed. The gold accents on the dashboard and steering wheel ensure that the cockpit aligns with the overall design theme of the motorhome, giving you a modern and luxurious driving experience. The futuristic motorhome is truly the pinnacle of modern design, offering both luxury and functionality in a compact, efficient space. Whether you're on a short weekend getaway or embarking on a cross-country adventure, this motorhome ensures that every part of the journey is a luxurious experience. The price of this motorhome reflects its cutting-edge technology, high-quality materials, and attention to detail that sets it apart from the competition. For those who demand the best, the futuristic motorhome delivers unmatched comfort, performance, and style. Are you ready to experience the future of travel? Schedule your test drive of the futuristic motorhome today and discover a whole new way to explore the world.